today, the day after. Oop, there's definitely the snow crunching under me. But we're starting to, defrost. But I have a crazy video. If anybody that's accustomed to snow can tell me if you light fire to snow, is it supposed to char? Like singe, turn black? But I got a video of me doing it that I'm gonna go ahead and post for you guys because that was rather interesting. I seen it on a YouTube, TikTok. Oh look, y'all. Here's the first one I did when I was lighting them on fire. I just didn't know that snow actually like charred. But I have a video of me doing it that I'm gonna post. But that's really interesting though. I have no idea what that is. But I'm interested to know. What is that? It's coming this way. So let's see, y'all. Oh, look, a little snow. Oh, well, there's somebody in the neighborhood. But yeah, so this is new aftermath. Hello. This is the aftermath in New Orleans. My porch is still full of it. Um, but yeah, y'all must post that video. Drizzy Hush. I'm gonna post a video of the guys trying to like get some cleared roads, but I'm gonna post the video of this singed snow because yeah, that's rather interesting. Oop. I mean, it feels fluffy. Like, what is that sound? I mean, I keep hearing this pop sound around here. Hush. Ain't nobody coming here. So, but all right, y'all. See y'all later. Oops, oops, oops. Bye.